That's it. And you mix it. And this, the more you put it in the refrigerator, the better it is. And it will stay for quite a few days. So what's wonderful about this is that you have this ready in your refrigerator when you feel like munching on something savory. And sometimes you don't feel like eating carrots or celery or peppers just plain. You dip it in this. And because it's so filled with nutrients and very low in calories, you can eat as much as you want. Let me taste this. I don't even understand why it's so delicious, but you can attest that it's very simple. So there we go.